Jesus came. Jesus came.
Nĩ igongona rĩrĩa rĩrarehete hamwe andũ matiganĩte kanitha-inĩ wa PCEA mwena wa Karatina, na kũrĩa gĩtũmi kĩnene kĩrarĩ kũhunjia na gũtheremia thayũ mwena ũyũ ona bũrũri wĩ wothe.
PPI is contributing in the national cohesion in a very big way. We have a challenge in this country of disunity. And the part of the reason why we have disunity in this country is the morals that we have. Because we are weak in morals, when we are persuaded otherwise, we find our people fighting one against the other.
Atongoria a kanitha nĩ maugĩte njuguma njega yumaga ikũrĩro, na kũrĩa maugĩte mĩtugo gwata ona mĩgendere ya mbeũ njĩthĩ nĩ hotomete, na no mũhaka mũtari mũũgĩ oke nĩguo kũmateithĩrĩria na gũcokia mĩtugo.
But we are saying that when we do PPI well, it will ground our children with the good morals. And therefore, even when they will grow, they will know how to live in unity. They can never be divided. They will never hate others because of their tribe, because of their color, because of anything that they have. Therefore, we are saying that PPI is very key in building cohesion of this.
Na kana Kahuthia nĩ ekĩrĩte ndeto na mũkonde kũrĩa augĩte mathomo maya nĩ megũteithĩrĩria nginya ciana nyinyi na kũrĩa ikũmahotithia gũikarania na andũ othe mena thayũ.
And these children are not just in their families and in their communities. These children will interact with other children from other ethnic groups in their schools, in their workplaces later in life. So how have we prepared them to be able to be people who can instill a sense of togetherness, with those that they will work with later in life? So PPI is critical in terms of instilling those kind of values.
Ndoine Hagikuyu TV. Rĩakwa nĩ Irũngũ wa Mwangi.
To save us from